Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to look at the theoretical probability of rolling two number cubes. And right here, you see a green number cube and a red number cube. And if you look at each number cube, when you look at the green number cube right here, you notice that it is a 1 in 6 chance of landing on any one of these numbers, meaning that it is a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 1, a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 2, a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 3, a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 4, a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 5, and a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a 6, because each outcome is equally likely to happen, and it's a 1 in 6 chance, and the same is true for the red number cube. And if we, let's say, roll these two number cubes together, keeping in mind that each roll of one number cube is independent of the other, meaning that the roll of the green number cube will not affect the outcome of the roll of the red number cube, and vice versa. And so what we're going to do when we roll these two together, it's going to come up with 36 possible events or 36 possible outcomes. And we're going to show you how that works by looking at it this way. Let's say if you wanted to roll the sum of 7 when we roll those two number cubes. The sum of 7 would be considered our favorable outcomes, the outcomes that we want to achieve over the total outcomes that there are. And in this case, there are 36 possible outcomes. But let's take a look at the possible outcomes of getting a 7 when we roll those two number cubes. We can get a red 1, a green 6. We can get a red 2 and a green 5. We can get a red 3 and a green 4. Then we can get a red 4 and a green 3, a red 5 and a green 2, a red 6 and a green 1. And as you count them, you will see that there are 6 out of 36 possible ways to roll the sum of 7 when you roll those two number cubes together, and that simplifies to 1 6. Now let's apply that to finding the sum of 9. 9 would be considered our favorable outcomes, okay? So we want to get a sum of 9 as our favorable outcomes out of 36, and let's see what they are. Well, we can get a red 6 and a green 3, a red 4 and a green 5, a red 5 and a green 4, a red 6 and a green 3. And so we count them 1, 2, 3, 4. Our outcomes will come out to be 4 out of 36. So it's a 1 in 9 chance, okay, of getting 9 when we roll those two number cubes. And let's say we wanted to get the sum of just 2. Well, here we are right here. We got a red 1 and a green 1. And that's our only chance of getting 2 out of 36, right? Getting a sum of 2, because this is our only outcome right here, our only event that can happen in order to get a sum of 2. Okay, you have been given a lot of information about theoretical probability. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at this chart right here, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.